Hey folks, Brittany from HeatSpring here, and today I'm going to talk to you about getting your BPI Cold Climate Air Source Heat Pump Assessor Certificate. It's a mouthful, but the acronym for that is ccASHP, Certificate of Knowledge. And this is a pretty important certificate of knowledge coming out from BPI. And it's important for me personally because a few years ago, I lived in Colorado and I switched my home from a furnace to a heat pump. And unfortunately, it was improperly sized and the wrong type of heat pump for how cold it could get where I lived in Colorado. So unfortunately, we had a really brutal storm and all my pipes froze. So I know firsthand how bad it can be if the professional who's installing your heat pump doesn't have all the information they need to make sure that the homeowner gets the right equipment. Let's talk now a little bit more about this certificate of knowledge. This is a professional credential that demonstrates foundational knowledge in assessing residential homes for cold climate heat pump installations. It was created by industry subject matter experts, like all BPI's credentials, and this certificate addresses the unique challenges that can come up when implementing heat pump technology in cold climates. And so the assessor will evaluate whether a home is a good candidate for a cold climate air source heat pump retrofit by examining things like the building envelope, existing HVAC and electrical systems, site conditions, and the homeowner's priorities. So why get the BPI Assessor Certificate? The heat pump market is growing a lot right now, and it's driven in part by state rebate programs and different utility incentives. And those different programs oftentimes have a demand for qualified professionals. And so having the certificate of knowledge may qualify you in some markets to be able to participate in those rebate programs. And it also shows homeowners that you understand these foundational principles and you have even passed an exam about them. So who should get this certificate? Really, anyone involved in evaluating, recommending, or facilitating heat pump installations in cold climates. A few of the types of positions that would be good to get this are energy auditors, home performance contractors, HVAC technicians, weatherization specialists, utility program representatives, building science consultants. You get the idea. There's lots of different folks. But if you're doing things around residential heat pump or heating and cooling work, this could be a good credential for you. Let's talk prerequisites. Before you take the ccASHP assessor exam, you have to meet at least one of the following prerequisites. The first category is industry credentials. So if you have any type of BPI certification or other types of heat pump credentials, and I'll put some on the screen here that qualify, those all could count as your prerequisite. You could also qualify by working in technical education. So if you've worked at least 1 year in technical trades instruction, including high school level vocational instruction, that counts as well. And the final way is through work experience. So as long as you've worked at least 1 year in a field that's directly related to heating and cooling systems, you qualify through that way as your prerequisite. And candidates will confirm these qualifications through a self-reporting checklist online before they take their exam. And BPI does conduct random audits just to maintain that program integrity. What's on the exam? So this exam is a 75-question, open book, online, multiple choice exam, and there is no time limit. The passing score is 80%. This exam covers 10 different knowledge domains, and I've got all the different domains here on the screen, along with what percentage of test questions comes from each section. If you'd like to dive even deeper, you can look up the scheme handbook for the certificate of knowledge, and you can see all the different subtasks and knowledge areas below each of those domains. If you're looking for a great way to prepare yourself for this exam and get all the knowledge needed to do these cold climate air source heat pumps, head over to HeatSpring and just search it. You will find it right there. And we also have it linked here on this page. If you have any questions about getting your BPI Cold Climate Air Source Heat Pump Assessor Certificate of Knowledge, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at support@heatspring.com. Thanks so much and happy studying.